Hey guys, this is Dr. Matt Thomas, and today I want to talk to you about how to use your Anodyne Pro 300. Okay, now when you get your Anodyne, it's going to come in a bag that looks just like this. Now when you're not using it, I want to make sure that you guys keep it stored away from pets and away from children so it doesn't get damaged. Okay, now inside the bag, okay, you're going to have the equipment, which is going to be a boot that goes on the foot, and then this part is going to go onto the back of the calf. Okay, that's going to come with a plug that will go into just a standard light socket, and then you're going to have this on and off switch right here to which you can control the machine. Now the way you put it on, all right, we're going to go ahead and take this. I'm going to give you guys a quick instruction on that. You're going to go ahead and slide it up onto the calf, just like this. These straps open up and you're gonna pull them tight. Okay, now make sure the diodes are on the back of the calf, firmly up onto the top, okay? And then you're gonna go ahead and take the bottom straps, you're gonna do the same exact thing. Pull those tight, just like this. The second part of this is going to be the foot piece. Now, with the foot piece, you're gonna open it up and slide your foot through, and then you're going to take these two straps and pull them tight as well. And then the last part of this is going to be this back strap, which is going to go around the back of your ankle and then up onto the side just like this, just to hold it secured. Okay, now the next part of this, you're going to go ahead and take the switch, and right now it's in the off position. You're going to go ahead and turn it on. And when you turn it on, you should see a green light indicating that the machine is running, okay? All you have to do now is just sit there, because in 30 minutes, this light's going to go off, indicating that the session has timed out, okay? Now, at that point, you're going to go ahead and shut it off, okay? And then you're going to do the same exact thing on the other leg. You just unstrap the straps, and then you do exactly what I just showed you on the other leg. Now, a lot of people have asked me, they said, well, I don't see the lights. Are they supposed to come on? The frequency that the lights give off, you can't see with the lights on. If you were to sit in a completely dark room, then you would be able to see the lights, okay? Now, typically what you're gonna experience is an increase in circulation, so you will probably feel a little bit of heat, but that's what it's designed to do, is increase circulation to those nerves that have been damaged. So that's how you use the Anodyne Pro 300.